Hello guys, so this is completely new division algorithm. We are going to study division algorithm. So what is the basic requirement of studying this? We all know how to divide in case of algebraic expressions, right? So why it is important? It is important because by this you can form some computer equations, some algo means computer algorithm, so that you can really replace it into programmings and you can easily get out the answers, right? So that is what division algorithm is and nothing else. So let's see this one. So we have to divide this with this, okay? So see, any algorithm that is prepared is basically the background work that is very tedious. So any algorithm has come out of some background work done by various engineers, scientists and obviously academicians, okay? So after that an algo is developed, given to a computer science engineer or a computer application engineer who puts it into the program and gets you the results, right? So that important thing is this division, okay? So this division will give us the algo. Let us do x square plus 2x plus 1, the first will be 3x, right? So 3x means 3x cube plus 6x square plus 3x, clear? So here it will cut down this one, minus minus. So this is minus 5x square, this is minus x, that will be plus 5, right? So now I will have to take minus 5, minus 5x square minus 10x plus, I think, minus 5, right? Minus 5, correct. This is plus 5, minus 5 into 1, that is minus 5, correct. So this one gets cancels out, ठीक है? This one will be plus, this one will be plus, so this will be 9x plus 10, okay? This will be 9x plus 10. Now the question is, after this we cannot divide, okay? After this we cannot divide, definitely we cannot. Why cannot we divide after this? Because even if you multiply 1 with this, you will get a polynomial of degree 2. So you cannot divide. The reason is the remainder has a degree lesser than the divisor. Okay? So let us take the divisor as gx. Okay, we will just write, we will first write this one, dividend. So 3x cube, x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5, okay? This is what? This is basically this, that is divisor into quotient plus 2x plus 1, 3x minus 5 plus the remainder, that is 9x plus 10. Clear guys? 9x plus 10, absolutely clear? So if this is correct, so this is the algo basically we are developing. So this is what? This is the dividend. So let us take this as px, function of x. Let's take this one as gx, this one as quotient, so qx, and this one remainder, so rx. So this is the algo. Okay? This is the algorithm, division algorithm. Okay? This already you know, but in case of algebra we don't really use it. So first time we are using it. Now basic point of understanding this is Rx, that is remainder x, that is this one, Rx will always have 1 degree, you don't write like this, degree minimum, it may be 0 also, because it may be 0 also. Why? Because it may be completely divisible. In that case this Rx will be 0, right? Remainder will be 0. It will be minimum 1 degree less than your divisor, that is gx. ठीक है. So this is division algorithm for you. It will be very important in both the syllabuses CBSE and ICSE for understanding purposes. Okay, in ICSE normally you people follow this ML Agarwal book. If you see the last problem of ML Agarwal, this has used this algorithm without making you understand what this algo is really meant. So today I think it is absolutely clear what this algo is really meant. ठीक है guys. So I hope you have enjoyed division algorithm and you have to verify division algorithm in various problems in NCERT. Please do that. That ends the polynomial chapter in just maybe 30 minutes or not even that. Okay, मैं तो थोड़ा जल्दी पढ़ाता ही हूँ तो उसमें तो कुछ है ही नहीं, ऐसा तो बदनाम है ही मेरा. So I go a little fast, but I think everything is clearly understood and you can solve all the problems in NCERT and definitely this will help ICSE students also. Thank you.